Hey guys, this is Alex. I'm here in the TST garage with a 2024 Ninja 500, and today I'm going to show you how to install the TST quick turn throttle on this bike. The purpose for this product is to reduce the throttle rotation, which it does so significantly compared to the stock one, and also to remove some of the slop that you get with the stock throttle. This is compatible with other motorcycles as well, such as the Ninja 400, but you can go to our website at tstindustries.com to check out a full list of other bikes that it's compatible with. This is also designed and manufactured here in-house in our facility in Central Florida. The installation is very simple. I'm going to show you exactly just how simple it is, so let's begin. The first step is going to be removing the bar end. Whether you have the OEM one or, like in our case, we have the Womatech bar end, it has to come off so you can slide the throttle off. The next step is going to be to remove the two screws that pinch the housing pieces together. They're here on the front. You may have to turn the handlebar a little bit to gain access to the bottom one. Now with the screws removed, you can separate the housings. This will come out, and this can separate. You can remove the two cables and just let them hang for now and slide the throttle off. The next step will be to install the TST quick turn throttle. But before you slide it on, I would recommend coating this surface with either some sort of grease or any other type of thicker lubricant, such as a silicone O-ring lubricant like I'm going to use right now. This just helps give the cables a little bit less friction during operation. Doesn't have to be a whole lot. And now you will slide the throttle on and then engage the two cables in their corresponding places. You're going to grab this part of the housing, seat the bottom wire in first. There's a little channel here for the cable. And then the top wire, you will seat that one on top in the housing. Then you'll grab the other piece of the housing that you removed earlier, and you will note that there is a little feature here, a boss in the plastic that will go in the hole that's pre-drilled in your handlebar. That will prevent everything from rotating. So you're going to put the housing on, slide it in place until that feature engages in the hole, and now it can't rotate. Then the final step is to fasten the screws back in. And finally, you want to just make sure that the throttle has smooth operation and it snaps back into place. In our case, it does. If by some reason your throttle doesn't snap back properly, you will have to adjust the tension in the cable, which you can do so from the knob down here and also from the throttle bodies on the left side of the bike. One more thing to mention at the end is you will notice there's a groove with some slots at the end. The reason for that is because this throttle was designed for a variety of bar ends and clip-ons and handlebars and also grips. It was designed for longer grips that are typically used in racing. So we provide this groove here, this mark, so that you can trim it down if you happen to be using a shorter grip. Or for example, if your bar end rubs against the edge. In our case, we do not need to do that right now. It fits perfectly fine with our Womatech bar end. You will of course need to install the grip of your choice before, but we're not going to show that on video right now. We still have good throttle operation even with our bar end, but you're welcome to trim it if you have a shorter grip or different bar ends on your motorcycle. And just like that, the installation for the TST quick turn throttle is complete. This gives us improved overall throttle feel with less strain on your wrist due to the less rotation that your hand is subjected to. This pairs really well with our WORX ECU tune, as well as some of our intake components such as velocity stacks and our carbon fiber airbox. If you're interested in this product or any of the other ones I mentioned, feel free to check us out at tstindustries.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.